Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about how can we forget our Wi-Fi network in our Realme phone. Guys, you want to forget your Wi-Fi network in your Realme phone. So friends, how can you forget your Wi-Fi network? In this video friends, I am going to show you guys which network guys you have connected guys you don't want to use, you want to forget in your Realme phone. So friends, you can forget easily. And guys, now let's see how to forget Wi-Fi network in our Realme phone. In this video, I will show you guys. So before starting video, man, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon. So when first of all we will on our phone setting to forget our Wi-Fi network. So friends, you can see guys your phone Wi-Fi setting guys, click here. And guys, you can see guys I have connected this Wi-Fi and guys I want to forget. So how can I forget? So you can see right side this icon guys, tap here and guys you can see Wi-Fi QR code. So you want to share this Wi-Fi. So friends, you can share this Wi-Fi network also from here guys. So you can see this, remove this network guys, tap here to forget. So with this Wi-Fi network we forget and guys you cannot use guys, you want to use, so you will have to enter password, then guys you can connect this Wi-Fi and guys you can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video. Before going, please go and like the video.